work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ayy, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, only to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we best.
Hey, yo, go Colts. Today is Sunday, man, and I'm on the bank. I'm sitting right here on the bank, right here in Geisen. I'm on the other bridge, right off the other bridge right here. But hey, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Indiana. My name is Win, or you can call me Mr. Fishing Indiana if you want to. It's all good. I ain't even tripping. But today, it's about like 40-something degrees right now. Supposed to get up to like 55. And I saw a picture last night of a guy. He was out here fishing somewhere out here in Geisen. And he had a bucket full of crappie. So, I'm trying to get me some today. I might cook me some later on tonight. I don't know. But make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out here in Geisen. I'm on the bridge with the flags. The flags normally be out here on this bridge. I ain't on the wooden bridge today. But I might end up going there later if this ain't producing no fish for me. If I can't put no fish in the bucket, I'ma move. The reason why I wanted to come right here is because of these trees and stuff right here. I wanted to throw along these trees and see if I can get some fish along this way. I only came here one time before. When I came here, it was super hot. And there was a bunch of grass and stuff, a bunch of stuff in the water right there. So right now it's cleared out. And hopefully we can get on something. Y'all see the traffic behind me. And look, I cut the beard, man. Cut the beard all the way down. What I look like? I look good or not, man? All right, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna get on some crappies. Right now, I got a bucket full of minnows, crappie minnows, and bass minnows. I got some red worms to see if I can get some bluegill today, too. And I'm going to be working with my Mr. Crappie stick. Be working with the Mr. Crappie. And I got a ugly stick right here. I'm going to be working between the two. I got another rod over there, a tele rod in that bag. Telescopic rod. That I'm going to put a bait caster on. I might use it, I might not. But it's there just in case I want to use it. But that's the plan for right now, man. Stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, y'all. First cast out. Minnow. With the minnow. Threw a minnow out there. And I'm about to throw a jig down. Something on that already. Oh, hold on. I just threw that out there. Something was on there. Oh. Shit. Hold on. That's what I'm talking about. I just threw that out there. Let me put that back out there again. I was trying to pull my pants up. Something took it already. Something hit that already. That's crazy. I just threw it out there, tried to pull my pants up. Get that back out there. Same spot. Put my hood on. Look. Might be a good day to keep hitting like that. I just had a nice pull just now. Did something take it? No, he's still on there. feel like it's tangled up. Where is it tangled up at? There we go. Feel better. There we go. Get it out there. Cause there's something out there that won't hit it right away the first time. Just had a little pull just now. Dang, is that how I was about to go? Well, I just got lucky. I think I just got lucky. All right, y'all, I had to go from that spot, man. It's right there. The spot is right there. I had to go from right there. The reason is I sat there for an hour and a half or so, probably more than that. I wouldn't get no bites, man. So my spot I'll be going to at the bridge is right down this way. I'm just gonna go there for a minute and see what happened, but I wouldn't get no bites right here. I ain't seen no fish jumping or nothing. Now, I know down there the fish be jumping and doing all kind of stuff. People out here, they was riding those. You see the water jumping out for them. They out there riding jet skis. They in their boats fishing and everything. It's cold out here. People don't care. But yeah, man, I'm about to go down here to the bridge for a minute. My normal spot. See what happened. If I can't get on a few of them. Because time is ticking. And I don't want to be out here till it get dark trying to catch some damn crappie, man. The gang about to come on. About to turn this Colts game on. So go Colts. Like I said earlier, go Colts. We 7-1. Let's make it 8-1 today, y'all. We clowning. We clowning. Let's get to fishing.
This Colts offense is running wild, and JJ, they just make it look so. There should be some pressure on one side of the ball if the other one's struggling a little bit. So he said, "Go ahead, put it on my shoulders."
Another big old slant. Catching them now. Here they go.
The Steelers thought that might go sideways because Waitman
Here we go.
had some issues getting rid of it cleanly, and then the ball just bounced right into the chest.
Got another. Got another one. Right back to back. Right back to back.
Tackled inside the 5 for a 7-yard gain.
Right back to back.
Ranges over to make the stop. Steelers knocking on the door. And think about this momentum. He just makes a great tackle on a very
Jeez. Jeez. Look at that.
At Burger King, you're at the rules.
They done came outside to play.
Everyone gets what they want.
Damn.
Now we choose the deal. So I get exactly what I want and...
Yes, sir. Big boy.
Everyone with the $5 deal or $7 treat.
They came outside to play today. Here we go. Well, got another one. There's some nice ones out here today.
Daniel Jones first is going to take a hit in the pocket from Patrick Queen. Good job laying off. We're going to take a look at Joey Porter Jr. here coming in.
Yes, sir. Whew, that's a fat boy right there, boy. Hell yeah. He going into grease, boy.
There's nothing like platinum.
You think you understand how this business works, but you don't.
I now know why mommy was so
Ooh, he big right there, boy. Jeez.
New season streaming November 16th, only on Paramount Plus.
Go another one. Damn.
Scorotic on special teams. So now let's flip it the other way with Indianapolis. This is a team that has not faced a whole ton of it. The ball a little bit long because he couldn't complete his follow-through. It was Cam Hayward pushing Quentin Nelson back into Daniel Jones' lap that might have caused him to pull up just a little bit, sailing it 1 yard too far for Alec Pierce. They're down in 3 now for Indy, 3:36 remaining. First half here in Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Come together.
USAA. See if you're eligible today. Alex.
Everybody working as a team, Alex.
Alex, I got you something.
God damn.
But what's this? Exploring weight loss treatment through hymns instead of fighting the forces of nature. And he's completed an online intake. It's the first step to personalize.
Jeez. I'm back to back with it. Back to back with it. Get in there. That's 3 right there, back to back.
I got a buddy over there that I met when I went on a cruise.
run that emerged away from the tackle, and now a flag comes down. Just don't throw a punch. You're going to get a flag every time a fist is thrown. Jalen Jones was in the area for Indianapolis, and he is fired up. Look at what it did to the field position for the Steelers. Now the Steelers have 10 first downs. Remember, that was a stretch they had none. The pass is batted down. Rodgers went sidearm, and Jermaine Pratt read it well. Stops the clock with 55 seconds left. Coming up, the rise.
What up, bro? That's a little dude.
Kind of calamity.
What's up, man? We back at it, huh? Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, check this shit. Check this out. This is a bluegill right here.
Bluegill.
Look at that.
This is where maybe we should use a timeout there.
Right here. Yeah, right up in here. Yeah. What's up, little bro? That's the other baseball player, ain't it? Remember you was here, he was playing baseball, was that him?
Get the new iPhone 17 Pro. No trading needed. And iPad.
Yeah, man. I got a bucket full of them. Bluegill and crappie. See that big one right there?
Oh, I see you kind of yellow bass.
Yep. I got a perch down there too. Yep. Yeah, he told me you caught one down there, right?